welcome to the vlog. Welcome to No Boring Days. Today we're gonna do 100 kilometers in preparation for the round Cebu ride. But also, thank you Focus Recovery for the care package. I'm gonna be giving these to the guys today. All right, let's do this. What?
Howdy! Kaya ba eh? Ulit ako ba eh?
Why are you going home?
Lilay asked me where my bike is.
What's your bike?
It's your biker.
No, there has to be one new bike at a time.
Oh, okay.
Right, Gin?
Yeah!
Ang headset ka ng silver doon.
Why, hello! Hello, Surly Bro!
Surly Bro, bike check later. But first, let me give you guys your first care package from Focus Recovery.
Whoa! We were just talking about that!
Okay.
I gotta contact Aaron.
For Gerald,
Thank you.
Gino.
Thank you, Terry. I was saying this morning I should text you. I need my bits.
Well, you don't have any for you, Lay.
Lilay doesn't need it, man. She'll be fine without it.
All right, let's go. Ride with the midnight special.
I think it feels more solid. More solid ride. That's what I can say.
Maybe because it's heavier.
Or maybe I'm just, biased. I'm approving my purchase.
Well, it looks nice.
Well, it's sour strawberry sparkle.
I love it. Yeah. I call this hot mayonnaise. No, I was looking for the torta place. I thought it was there na.
I actually don't know where it is.
What? Wala pa man sa na 50. What?
Blue torta sign.
Yeah.
Blue torta sign.
Abay lang ang GoPro.
Ikisap ako eh.
Hey, that still works. It still works. New bike.
You want a melted board?
Don't spend, man.
So Gene, what bike do you have, bike?
It's a Surly Midnight Special. Oh yeah. It's a sour strawberry sparkle. Ta-da! It's an Ultegra group set, but with an Easton 4630 crank. It's got mechanical brakes on it, Brooks saddle, and Easton EC90 drop bar. And I've got Panaracer Gravel Kings on them.
You got new hubs?
I got new hubs. Thank you. Shout out Mark Acantilado for the hubs. Exactly what I wanted.
What
you
hubs
can't
do
hear him.
What hubs do you have?
It's a Novatec.
Novatec, okay.
Yeah. It's perfect because you can't hear him.
And then your headset.
The headset, it's a long story, but that's a Cane Creek 110. Yeah, so apparently there's a 110-year warranty.
Seriously?
So, yep, according to...
Live you, man.
Shout out again to YKK, thank you.
It's not me. I am not my KK.
Yeah, Gene, how's it ride?
Pretty good. I am genuinely happy. Solid ride. Makes me feel like I'm as fast as Carlo.
PPGG size 54 for sale. How's it on the way back, Jer?
Today is very difficult.
Why?
Very strong.
Headwind and sun?
Oh, just the headwind. Sun, I'm okay.
Sun, you don't mind? It's pretty hard on the way back today.
I still prefer if it was raining.
I don't know about the rain. Just trying to get home. Wow, you really feel the heat when you're stuck in traffic. Crazy. Okay, that was pretty tiring ride on the way back. There was a lot of traffic, a lot of sun, a lot of headwind. I think part of this whole round Cebu thing that we're going to do, there's going to be a lot of luck involved, particularly in terms of the weather. Like if it's really sunny or if there's a lot of headwind, we can expect to go significantly slower. But we got through it. All good. So shout out Dustin Klein, the ride by the numbers. 107.54 kilometers, 4 hours, 40 minutes, and 59 seconds moving time with 304 meters of elevation gain. No boring days, please subscribe. And of course, thank you, Focus Recovery, for the Bix Hydration. It's time to recover, baby!